everyone. Welcome to another Unboxing Wednesday with Mark at Go Fast Hobbies and Raceway. Today, we're going to talk about the new release from Team GFRP, the 25 Hustler car kit, high bite sprint car. So we'll get started. We'll open her up here and see what we got in the box. So first off, comes with a couple decal sheets, Team GFRP and Quasi Speed. As you can see, there is no manual in the box. So you have to download the manual for this. Right here it is. We have this available on our website on the product itself, the 25 Hustler. If you scroll down on that page, you can download it and print it off. You will need that to assemble this. So it does not come with that in the kit. Just got to print that off. So it comes with their standard sprint car body kit here. You can see it comes with the lower downforce front wing and the lower downforce top wing as well. You can see it's there. Nose, tail, all that's there. So set all that over here. Comes with Loctite, and here's shot kits. I'll try to get all this stuff out of here. We'll unbox it out here. Wow, their standard molded cage. So it comes with my car cage, side panels, and the rest of the bodies right here. Play Tetris there to get everything in the box. So you can see the chassis kit, the matte finish chassis. Let's pull it out of there. Carbon fiber. Looks very similar to the chassis plate that was the original Hustler had. The front end is way different. Pull all this stuff out here. Comes with their standard molded front arms, carbon fiber shock tower. Does have single bell crank, and it does have the kick-up blocks, which are similar to a customer's car. The kick-up is adjustable on this, and you can go through the manual there and see how that works. This car is very similar to the Mistress that they released early on in the spring. Comes with the turnbuckle wrench right there as well, and bag A, and rod ends, and the titanium turnbuckles as well. I do believe it comes with steel hinge pins. It does not come with the titanium hinge pins. So bag B, battery strap is included. Molded caster blocks, adjustable 0, 5, and 10 degree with it. And the molded steering blocks. And then you can see, once again, titanium turnbuckles and steel hinge pins. It does have steel bearings in it. Bag C, carbon fiber rear shock tower. Comes with the adjustable rear arms, and comes with 02 toe blocks. And it does come with molded hub carriers. You can see here in the picture. They're molded, not the nice aluminum ones. And then it does come with titanium turnbuckles and sealed bearings as well. Like the dog bone bag, CVA bag. Nothing too fancy there. Comes with a nice set of lock nuts. Move on to the transmission bag. Does come with spur gear. Looks like a machined Delrun transmission case and a ball diff, or gear diff. That is a gear diff, excuse me. Gear diff kit with it. With the aluminum case. Really nice. And then also comes with the sealed bearings as well in the transmission. So here's it has sealed bearings throughout. You can get a good video of that. Spinning it around here. Comes with carbon fiber motor plate. And we'll move on to the shock bag. Does appear that it comes with 4 long shock bodies. Small bore, which is really what you want for high bite, in my opinion. And then All your shock hardware is in here. Comes with the aluminum shock mounts. Does not have E-clips. These card kits do not use the E-clips for the shock pistons anymore. The screw threads into the end of the shock shaft. Really nice. These are like what comes in the Assault and the Assailant shock kit. We consider that. And then bag G comes with a carbon fiber bumper and detail tank mount. So kind of lay the bags out here so you guys can see them. That's the bag. So we'll kind of take a peek in the manual. Pretty simple manual, kind of lays everything out, has the parts in there, nothing too fancy there. Like you said, you have to download this manual. It does not come in the car kit. Just so you know that, don't freak out. We have available on our page, on the product page, with the car kit. So hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing video of the new Team GFRP 25 Hustler. Reminder, all these products are available at gofasthobbies.com. And also, this should help you know what comes in the car kit. And I will see you on the next Unboxing Wednesday.